Hi guys, today I've got this really easy low bun hairstyle that's perfect for weddings. I've started by leaving the hair out to frame the face, and I'm going to divide the hair at the back in half, then just secure each half into a low ponytail. Now we're just going to grab some texture spray and apply it to the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gently use your fingers to pinch and pull at the hair to create a little bit of messy volume. Now get yourself a hair vine. Again, I'll pop this one below for you, it was really cheap. Find the centre point and just clip it in between those two ponytails. And starting on the right hand side, I'm just going to split the hair in half and then use that vine as one of my strands. So I'll have two strands of hair and one vine and just plait it together in a 3-strand braid. Then just secure it at the bottom with a clear elastic band and do the same 3-strand braid on the opposite side. Remove that clip and then apply some more of that texture spray to your braids and gently pinch and pull at the edge of the braids to give it a little bit more volume. Do this on both sides. Next, taking that left hand braid, I'm just going to bring it underneath the right hand braid, wrap it around the elastic, bring it over the top so it finishes back on the left hand side, and then just use a few bobby pins to secure this to the head. Make sure you tuck those ends underneath and pin everything in place until it's secure. Next, take that right hand braid and we're going to bring it straight across to the left hand side. Next, we're just going to roll those ends underneath and again secure that left hand side to the head, and then with the middle of the braid I'm going to slip a bobby pin in to stop it moving about. And then that last section I'm just going to bring over to the right hand side, and if you've got tail ends like me, just wrap them around your fingers to form a loop and then just hold it to the bottom right hand side of that bun and secure in place. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.